Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing a quick review of Slidesai. Now Slidesai simply says from text to slides in seconds with AI presentation maker. You can effortlessly create stunning presentations directly in Google Slides by leveraging AI that is fast, intuitive and impactful. It has a free Chrome extension and you can quickly add animations to your Google Slides. Let's look at the pros and the cons and stuff like that. Let's go. You see, it offers a sweet and easy way to generate presentation primarily within Google Slides by transforming text or a given topic into slides. Its main appeal lies in the ability to save considerable time and effort in the initial stage of presentation creation, making it accessible even for users with limited design skills. Now, the integration of Google Slides also is a very significant plus for existing users of the platform. However, this particular AI, Slidesai, has notable drawbacks. For example, users often report that the AI-generated content can be generic or lack depth and accuracy, requiring significant manual editing and fact-checking. Also, customization options are often limited, making it challenging to create truly unique or branded presentations. Other cons include character input limitation, occasional unreliability or glitches in features, and concerns raised about its pricing structure and potential for unexpected charges. While it excels at quickly producing a basic structure, Slidesai may fall short for those requiring highly polished, accurate, and deeply customized presentations with advanced features. So that's a quick review of Slidesai.